Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this presentation. My name is Lastri from Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Indonesia. It is an honor for me to present our research entitled Psychometric Properties of a Critical Thinking Instrument, Evidence from Eyken's Empirical Validity and High Reliability. Critical thinking is an important competency that is a focus in the field of education. This competence enables learners to analyze information systematically and evaluate various evidence objectively, logical decision, solve complex problems. Okay, and effort to develop critical thinking skill require assessment instrument that can measure this construct accurately and consistently. Instrument that do not meet the standard have the potential to produce a less accurate interpretation, which can affect decision making. Two main aspects from the basic for evaluating the quality of an instrument are validity and reliability. This assessment of instrument quality in this study was done through a psychometric approach that combined three main sources of evidence at once: content validity using Eyken's coefficient, empirical validity based on item characteristics analysis, and internal reliability using Hoyt coefficient. The study used quantitative research with a psychometric evaluation approach aimed at assessing the validity and reliability of critical thinking ability instrument. Developed instrument consists of the critical thinking skill test, compiled based on fashion critical thinking indicator, is interpretation, analysis, evaluation, and inference. In the study, the Imperial test involved 5th grade elementary school students. The participants were selected using cluster random sampling. To evaluate the instrument consist validity was examined using Eyken based on expert judgment. Then empirical validity was tested by correlating each item score with the total score using the person product moment correlation. Finally, the reliability on the instrument was assessed using the Hoyt reliability coefficient, which is based on analysis of variance. Finding validity and reliability of a critical thinking skill instrument. First, for validation, and first content validation result. The content validity of the SI test instrument for critical thinking skill was assessed using Eyken coefficient. This assessment focused on the level of presentation of each item in relation to the indicator of critical thinking skill, that from the measurement construct analyzed using Aiken coefficient was carried out. They identify the level of agreement among the validator regarding the feasibility of each instrument item. The analyzed result present in the table show that the Aiken view follow the 6 items range from 0.67 to 1. The result indicate the 6 test item measuring critical thinking ability have acceptable level of content validity. The Aiken value indicate a strong agreement among the experts, so this instrument sufficiently represent the construct of critical thinking ability. And next, for the empirical validity result, the empirical validity of the essay-based test instrument design to measure student critical thinking skill was analyzed using the person-product moment correlation. Based on the data analysis of the 53 respondents, the critical thinking correlation coefficient, critical R value at a signification level of 0.05, item with a calculated item total correlation coefficient greater than 0.273 were considered valid, whereas the result indicated that of the 6 essay items, the following 3 items, item 2, item 4, and 5, demonstrate satisfactory validity because their correct item total correlation coefficient exceeded the critical threshold. And next, for reliability result of the instrument in the study was analyzed using the height variance component approach based on the analysis of variance calculated using the height variance technique and can be used and categorized as reliable and consist if the reliable coefficient greater than or equal to 0.6. The point of the reliable analysis are present in the following table. The reliable coefficient calculate using the Hoyt method is 0.94646. This value represents the proportion of total variance caused by actual difference among subjects according to generally accepted standard. Reliable coefficient above 0.90 is categorized as very high, indicating excellent and measurement consistency. Conclusion: this study provides empirical evidence regarding the psychometric characteristic of the critical thinking ability. Instruments show the analysis of content validity, temporal validity, and internal validity. For content validity criteria based on Aiken's V coefficient with a range of 0.67 until 1, and next for empirical validity testing shows that 4 items meet the criteria for being valid. And next for the HOIT, develop instrument already process good psychometric quality in the term of content validity and reliability, but still require refinement of the item that have not yet meet the criteria for empirical validity before being used more readily. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and for taking the time to watch this presentation. We hope that our research contribute to the advancement of critical thinking assessment and serve as a useful reference for future research and practical application. Thank you and have a wonderful day.